We're excited to share our February update, a fresh set of improvements that makes TARGPatrol easier to use and better for day-to-day work in the field. Let's take a quick look at what's new. Within each point, you can enable direct check-ins and define what actions must be completed during the check-in process. When Allow Check-in on the point is enabled, users can perform actions at this point directly from the Check-in tab in the mobile app, even without being inside a scheduled task. You can configure actions for all users, which defines the default list of actions: checkboxes, text inputs, comments, photos that must be completed by anyone checking in at this point. Additionally, user action overrides allow you to assign a different set of required actions to specific users or groups of users. For example, supervisors may have a more detailed checklist, while regular staff complete a simplified version. If no follow-up actions are required, you can leave the action list empty. In this case, the check-in will simply record the visit, time, user, point, without requiring additional input, which is often suitable for guard patrol scenarios. You can also combine scheduled tasks and check-ins together. A point can be used inside a scheduled task with its assigned workflow, while still allowing direct check-ins when needed. This provides full flexibility for both structured task execution and on-demand activity. For sure, it's hard to manage many points if you must update them one by one. You can apply the same on-demand check-in settings to multiple points in just a few clicks. Simply select the points you want to update, then click On-Demand Check-in at the bottom of the page. Choose your settings, click Save, and all selected points update instantly right away. The Multiple Assignees feature allows you to assign a task to a group of users when you are not sure in advance who will complete it. All selected users will see the task in their list. However, the task can be started by only one user. The first user who starts the task will take ownership of it, and it will no longer be available for the others to start. If you do not need shared responsibility, you can still assign the task to a single user, just like before. On the Schedule page, when using the View by User mode, a task with multiple assignees will appear under each assigned user. This helps managers clearly see availability and task distribution across the team. The Media Gallery has been enhanced with new export capabilities. You can now generate a Media Gallery report, PDF, that exports all found images into a structured PDF file, including contextual data such as date, time, user, and point, making client reporting cleaner and more professional. In addition, you can download selected media files, both images and videos, as a compressed archive, allowing you to quickly retrieve and store raw media evidence outside the system when needed. Now you can synchronize assigned scheduled tasks with external calendar applications such as Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, and Apple Calendar. To set up your calendar feed URL, go to User Settings Calendar and click Create, if no URL has been generated yet. Once calendar synchronization is enabled, all assigned scheduled tasks will automatically appear in your selected calendar. The data stays synchronized, ensuring that any relevant updates are reflected in your calendar view. Once created, copy the calendar feed URL and paste it into any external system that supports ICS calendar subscriptions. Your scheduled tasks will then appear and stay synchronized in that calendar. That's it for this video. We didn't cover every single change in this update, just the most important ones. If you'd like to see the full list and all the details, visit our website and read the blog post about the February updates. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.